2018 Toyota Highlander review. Lots of space and advanced safety measures make the 2018 Highlander a top-notch choice among three-row SUVs. The 2018 Toyota Highlander is just about the best picks designed for a versatile three-row crossover SUV. Thanks to an appropriate and quiet ride, abundant standard features along with a just right size, it needs to serve you well to be a do-all family hauler. While the Highlander is not as big as traditional truck-based SUVs including Toyota's Sequoia, it's quicker to maneuver around town, yet nonetheless has three relatively usable rows of seating. It also delivers above-average fuel economy for the three-row SUV. The third row is a little tighter than we would like, but kids will fit just great back there. We also like how Toyota outfits every Highlander using its Toyota Safety Sense bundle, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure intervention, and forward collision mitigation with automatic emergency braking. If you will need a crossover having a roomier third row, you will most probably be happier that has a Honda Pilot or Volkswagen Atlas. Toyota's another bit behind the periods in smartphone connectivity and MDASH. You cannot get Android Auto or Apple CarPlay within the Highlander. Overall, though, this popular and well-rounded crossover is unquestionably worth an experiment drive. Notably, we picked the 2018 Highlander as one of best midsize SUVs with this year. What's new? The 2018 Highlander is unchanged. For the standard Highlander the XLE trim level. Priced in the actual middle in the Highlander range, the XLE comes standard while using V6 and adds several decent extras to your Highlander's almost-rich listing of standard features, including blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert systems, leather upholstery, heated front seats, and keyless ignition and entry. There's also optional all-wheel drive when you need the extra control. You could certainly get by together with the La Plus or pay more, have fun with the more extravagant Limited. Nevertheless, the XLE may be the sweet spot within our opinion. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Highlander can be a large three-row crossover SUV with seating for 8, but optional second-row captain's chairs reduce capability 7. Toyota makes 6 Highlander models, the La Plus, XLE, say, Limited and Limited Platinum. The La isn't a strip-head-down model, however it is standard 4-cylinder engine is really a bummer. The La Plus has key upgrades, for instance the V6 engine optional around the La, an electricity liftgate and an automatic climate control, whilst the XLE, Limited and Limited Platinum essentially slather on luxury features. The Say is unique with unique styling and sportier driving dynamics. The standard powertrain within the Basela is usually a 2.5-litre 4-cylinder engine, 185 horsepower, 184 pound-feet of torque, a 6-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. The 3.5-litre V6 295 horsepower, 263 lb-ft that's standard on other trims is optional for the and comes followed by an 8-speed automatic. All-wheel drive may be added towards the V6 as a possible option. Other standard features include 18-inch alloy wheels, heated mirrors, a windshield wiper deicer, rear privacy glass, the Toyota Safety Sense bundle automatic high beams, adaptive cruise control, lane departure intervention, and Toyota's pre-collision system, which bundles forward collision detection with automatic emergency braking, a rear-view camera, rear cooling, a height-adjustable driver's seat, a 6040 split second-row seat slides, reclines, folds, a 6040 split third-row seat reclines, folds, 5 USB ports, a 6.1-inch touch screen, Bluetooth, plus a 6-speaker sound system that has a CD player. The La Plus adds a height-adjustable power liftgate, a flip-up rear window, fog lights, an automatic climate control, upgraded upholstery and trim, an electricity adjustable driver seat, a leather-wrapped leader, a higher resolution 8-inch touch screen, satellite and HD radio, and also a variety of smartphone connection apps. On the surface of the La Plus equipment, the Highlander XLE adds a sunroof, roof rails, keyless entry and ignition, blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert systems, a substitute instrument panel, leather upholstery third and fourth rows, simulated leather third row upholstery, heated front seats, an electricity adjustable passenger seat, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, second row window sunshades, a 110-volt power outlet. Driver Easy Speak carries the driver's voice over the rear speakers to distant passengers along with a navigation system. The SE is supplied similarly towards the XLE but has LED running lights, sport-themed styling elements and suspension tuning, 19-inch wheels and sporty interior trim. The Limited starts together with the XLE's content and adds LED running lights, different 19-inch wheels, rear parking sensors, a rear cargo cover, heated and ventilated front seats, driver seat memory settings, heated second row captain's chairs optional around the XLE and also a 12-speaker JBL sound system. The Limited Platinum gains a panoramic sunroof, automatic wipers, a 360-degree parking camera, front parking sensors, Safety Connect emergency communications, a heated controls and heated second row seats. The Limited and Limited Platinum might be optionally equipped with all the second row bench. A rear seat entertainment method is optional on although the La and La Plus. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically will come in multiple versions, although trim levels share many aspects. The S within this review derived from our full test in the 2014 Toyota Highlander XLE 3.5 litres V6, 6-speed automatic, AWD. Note, since this test was conducted, the existing Highlander has brought some revisions, including a new V6 engine through an 8-speed automatic transmission and extra feature content. Our findings remain broadly applicable to the present year's Highlander. An appealing blend of a powerful V6, proficient brakes and intuitive, precise steering, plus good handling and decent towing and off-road credentials, squeeze Highlander one of many class' best. Acceleration. The Highlander's V6 provided impressive acceleration in 2014, plus the latest V6 updated for 2017 only improves upon that capability. The new 8-speed automatic shifts smoothly and it is reasonably responsive. Braking. Despite a vague feeling pedal, the Highlander provides substantial braking effectiveness. The panic stop distance from 60 miles per hour in testing ranks one of the class' best, and intensely good fade resistance. Steering. About just like it gets for just a large SUV. It is intuitive response and reassuring feedback when cornering and isolated straight-line stability around the highway. And the Highlander can be a cinch to park. Handling. A confident and competent handler, right up for the relatively low limit set from the stability control system, which really shows you when you're asking an excessive amount of. The new same model sport-tuned suspension comes with a firmer ride but only minor handling improvements. Drivability. The Highlander feels bigger some competitors if you're behind the wheel, so tighter parking maneuvers might feel hairy. It has nice and easy steering for parking lots, though, as well as it is often a very easy SUV to operate a vehicle in general. Comfort. Lexus Slight. The Highlander's seats, ride comfort and utterly silent atmosphere are nearly as effective as you'll find in SUVs from corporate cousin Lexus. Seat comfort. Heated leather front seats are as comfy as furniture and provides tons of adjustment, including extendable thigh support. The second row seats are firmer, but they also slide and recline in many The third row is only acceptable. Certain competitors improve. Ride comfort. One in the Highlander's best qualities is its ride comfort. This crossover is very isolated and confident without feeling as being a floating barge. Few if any road irregularities intrude. Noise and vibration. One from the quietest SUVs we've ever measured. Only a good intermittent wisp of wind noise is clear on a gusty highway pass. Interior. With a number of exceptions, for example, some long reaches for controls, the Highlander's interior is especially competitive with regards to access, space and ergonomics. Ease of usage. Some controls, specifically those for the stereo audio, can be found too far away. Otherwise, Toyota's typical range of controls is straightforward to use. Getting in, jetting out. It could be difficult to attain the third row considering that the second row where the captain's chairs or even the bench doesn't give a wide path on the way back. But the doors are large, and also the seats are of unreasonable height. Driving position. Abundant seat adjustments, including power-adjustable thigh support, a hard-to-find feature on many trim levels. Sufficient seat and telescoping wheel travel for taller drivers. Roominess. As will also apply to most competitors, the second and third rows provide copious room for adult occupants. The third row is squishier than that in the Honda Pilot, and despite having 3 seat belts, only young children are likely to fit 3 abreast back there. Quality. The quality of materials is high, and during our only long-term test of any Highlander, all things in the cabin remained nicely screwed together. Impressive. Utility. Overall cargo capacity is average with this segment. That will translate to abundant room for many families. Small item storage is superb. Small item storage. There's an exceptional built-in shelf around the dashboard that serves like a resting spot for phones or some other personal items. A vast volume of space can be obtained under the sliding armrest cover. It's adequate enough to store a laptop or possibly a sizable purse. Cargo space. The Highlander provides an average number of cargo capacity with the segment. It doesn't matter how many rows will be in place. Some others offer more space behind the next row, notably the Ford Explorer. Technology. The Highlander's standard suite of safety technology is often a nice plus, notably if you don't have the money for the range-topping model. The infotainment interface is pleasantly easy to work with. Audio and navigation. Toyota's touchscreen interfaces aren't the flashiest or most feature-packed, nevertheless they are easy to work with. The 8-inch version standard on many models is notably quick to reply to inputs and features large, easily pressed icons. Driver aids. Every Highlander comes standard with forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking, in addition to adaptive cruise control and lane departure intervention. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert are included within the Avalon.